see what we do. Not suitable for children under 8. Another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be erupting a volcano. A volcano which we're going to erupt, and we have bugs which we're going to make. And I've got this, and we're going to see if it actually works, and it's for 9 years and older. Right. Okay guys, so I'm going to put all this stuff over here, even though it might not be on camera, it don't matter. So first we're going to do the books. Let's open it. I'm going to do a transition and get some scissors. Whoa! Who knows that's going to work? So we get some scissors. And that didn't happen. So I'm gonna get all the tape off. There we go. Ow! I'm okay. You know, I'm just gonna do another transition. Okay. So we got this moulding and yeah, so goo powder. Let's see. You need goo powder, insect mould. Daddy.
Yeah.
What does that say?
Guardian. Ask a guardian.
Help. Boil some water and pour 13 ml into a cup. I need a cup! Okay. I need water. It needs to be 30 ml.
30?
Yeah. Which is probably about up to there. It's probably about there.
1 minute.
Yeah, here. We're just guessing. Anyway, let's do this. Transition. No. Just. I'm gonna do a transition. So it's. Okay, guys, so I've got the water. Hope you like my magic. And hopefully Daddy did this right. This does not seem like a lot. I feel like joking. No. Okay, right. Daddy.
Yeah?
We're supposed to have boiled it.
Really?
Yeah.
Right, I'll boil it then.
Because it's jelly.
Did it say boil it?
Yeah, it's edible.
No, I'm not eating it.
But it says jelly.
You don't just spill it off, you?
No.
You want me to boil the water?
No, just forget it.
You sure?
Yeah, it won't mind.
I've got some boiled here.
Okay.
Do you want it?
Okay.
No.
Yeah, I said okay. So this is the goo powder. And these are the jelly nuggets.
Give me this.
Which you might obviously.
Because if it says it's boiled, it won't work.
It is. Look.
So 30 ml is the line, yeah?
Boiled.
Okay. I should really put in this glass.
That's enough.
That's 30 ml.
Yeah. Ooh, that's hot. Right.
No, don't put the cold in.
I know. Now we add the baking powder. Okay, take another cup and empty this. We need another cup
What for?
to put the goo powder in. Go. Look at it. It says cup, but okay. It's not coming out. Can't wait till my air from the shelf comes back. So far it looks edible. I'm not going to eat it though. It looks like popping candy. Oh no, we lost the grain. There you go. A little fell in. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. There we go. Okay, what's next? Set free, take another cup. Yeah. I need a spoon. So guys, we're gonna pour it. And then a minute.
Yeah, pour it all into the clear one so you can see what's happening.
No, we have to pour the water over the thing.
Yeah, but you should pour it all into the clear one so that people can see in the video.
Okay. Oh, it's all stuck. Dad.
Put it back in then.
No. We're going to try and get as much as we can out, guys. Do not worry. Daddy's just a bit dumb. Okay, there we go. But it's going jelly. It's making gel. I'm going to do it so you guys can see. Oh, the camera what I use at Mummy's is just like an old GoPro. And sometimes I use the phone. I think I've stirred that now. Till dissolved. I'm going to be put. So you get the pig. Tab. So now we need to pour this mixture into the mold. I think Daddy went over with the water. Whoopsies, whatever. It has a bit of metal in it, but it's not the end of the world. It will be fine. Next is a fly. Ah! Yuck. Get in then. sausage rolls. So love more than any other baby. Have you seen the Walker's Crisp advert? It's so good. Leave the goose set until solidified. Okay, brewed. Gently squeeze out the holes to avoid wriggling bugs. While that sets, I'll have to do this later. But I'm going to have a quick break, so Dad, cut this out. Yum. We're going to move on to does this really need to be in the video? Yeah, we'll do it last. Time for the big boy! Daddy?
Yeah.
Can I Max Chris now?
Go get Matt, go big.
That's how you do it. I hope you picked the right flavour. I think I only like paprika and barbecue ribs. And the chicken wing ones. And the cheese and onion. I like them all, to be honest. So, sorry I had to get out of frame. It's so big. Kids, don't try this at home. Whoa! This volcano is going to be what? Oh, I need safety goggles and everything. Funnels. Whoa! Daddy! Whoa! I need help. This says grown-ups. You can't leave me on my own. It's a massive explosion. Baking soda and this is vinegar, isn't it? Red dye. Probably secret, but whoa! I need gloves and everything. Whoa! Awesome. Hello? There we go. Right. Anyway, let's see what we do. Not suitable for children under 8. Stand up or you won't be in the video. Step 1. Put a funnel in. Right, you're not in the video now. Told ya, warned ya, warned ya, warned ya. So stay. Oh, what's number 2? Pour baking soda. Stay. Do I have to take something off? Yeah. There we go. I was wondering why it wouldn't stay. Baking soda, which we call here baking powder. In America, everything's soda. Packet in a packet. Oh, this must be serious. They say put gloves on, but make it so you can actually open it then. Oh, I think you can do this multiple times. Ooh, I need to take this off if I'm doing that. Nope. Malt vinegar. Malt vinegar.
We only have apple cider.
Is it filming?
Yeah.
Can I pour?
I think you better put the volcano lid on, maybe. Yeah,
It's erupting!
Who's there?
It's erupting! Look at all this lava.
Look at the mess you've got to clean up.
I'm not cleaning this.
Right, that's it. We're over.
Okay, I'm cleaning. Ah! Oh, it smells, but it works. Ah! So, oh my god.
Is it still coming out?
Yeah. Whoa. Look at it all. Guys, whoa. Whoa. It stinks.
Oh.
Ooh. Give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe or this will be on your face when you wake up. Good night. Goodbye.